Introducing the new Cordless 950 sander and polisher from RBL products. The kit includes RBL's one-step polish, brush, and 24 2000 grit engineered abrasive discs. The wrong way. The RBL right way. RBL makes it easy to remove dirt and scratches. Virtually any surface defect can be repaired. The kit comes with two offsets, one 3mm for sanding and a 12mm for polishing. There is a rotary adapter too. Backing pad changes are made easily with the roll-lock quarter-turn system. The polisher has a variable speed control. The 950 kit comes with a 1-inch, 2-inch, and 3-inch foam and wool pad for compounding and final polishing, as well as 2 batteries and a charger.